It's a complex world banks operate in. Amidst rising market volatility and economic uncertainty, the strategic importance of bank treasury management is increasing every day. However, the treasury systems in most banks are not yet ready for the growing responsibilities. To achieve better outcomes, banks need to reimagine treasury with the possibilities today's technologies offer. Introducing Finacle Treasury, a front-to-back, cross-asset, multi-entity solution with comprehensive capabilities across trading, risk management, and operations. With Finacle Treasury, you get out-of-the-box coverage across 9 asset classes with full flexibility to create new instrument types on demand. Robust real-time risk management to navigate market volatility with heightened resilience. Seamless treasury operations to maximize efficiency, automation, and control. Today, banks in over 50 countries rely on Finacle for powering their treasury strategies. The unified yet modular platform helps you streamline treasury operations to significantly drive down costs. The solution is core agnostic and highly interoperable with Finacle as well as non-Finacle systems. Finacle Treasury also offers an optional yet pre-integrated asset liability management solution that empowers you to optimize your balance sheet, manage liquidity and interest rate risk exposures, and improve profitability. Whether you are traditional or emerging institution, physical or digital, or a medley, Finacle Treasury will help you achieve true treasury transformation. Transform your treasury technology with Finacle today.